Today's Bible verse comes from Romans chapter 1, verse 17, King James Version. For therein is the righteousness of God revealed from faith to faith, as it is written, the just shall live by faith. Romans 1:17 explains that the gospel reveals the righteousness of God, which is the way God is just and faithful, and it is received from faith to faith. The verse concludes with an Old Testament quote, "The righteous shall live by faith." In essence, it means that salvation comes through faith because the gospel shows God's righteous character and provides a way for believers to be made righteous by faith in Jesus Christ. Here's a breakdown of the verse. Number 1, the righteousness of God is revealed. God's character and His faithful promises are unveiled through the gospel of Jesus Christ. This is not something people can figure out on their own. It is a divine revelation. Number 2, from faith to faith. This phrase means that the process of receiving God's righteousness is entirely dependent on faith, starting with the initial faith in the gospel and growing from there. Faith is the way to access God's righteousness, which then sustains and increases more faith. Number 3, the righteousness shall live by faith. This quote from Habakkuk 2:4 emphasizes that the person is made righteous not by their own works, but by their faith in God's provision and promises. It is the foundation of the Christian life, which is not based on what humans do, but on what God has done through Christ. Amen.